There are 11 pens in a box. 6 of the pens are black, 3 of the pens are red, 2 of the pens are green. He takes at random 2 pens from the box. Work out the probability he takes 1 black pen and 1 green pen. So we could do this with a tree diagram. We could say the first pen could be black, second, it could be red, it could be green. And the probability of each of those, black would be 6 out of 11, red would be 3 out of 11, green would be 2 out of 11. And then on the second pen, it could be black, red, green. If it was black the first time, it could be black, red, green. If it was red the first time, or it could be black, red, green if it was green the first time. It doesn't say that he put the pen back, so we're assuming that he didn't put the pen back. So therefore, the probability of black here would be 5 out of 10, because he took a black pen out here. If he took a black pen out here, then he's only got 5 black pens left, and he's only got 10 pens in total. The probability of red would be 3 out of 10, because he's still got 3 red pens out. He didn't touch the red pen here. And he's still got 2 green pens left, because again, he didn't touch the green pens. He only took 1 black pen out, so he's still got 2 green pens. As a quick check, make sure that adds up to 1, or make sure it adds up to 10 out of 10, which it does. And we can fill in the probabilities for if he took a red out the first time. So if he took a red out the first time, then there would only be 2 red left out of 10. The black would stay the same. That's still going to be 6 out of 10, because remember there were 6 black pens at the beginning, and in this case he didn't take one out at all. And there would still be 3 green pens left. Oh no, there wouldn't, sorry. There'd be 2 green pens left. In my head there, I was just doing my little check. I was adding them up and seeing if it equaled 10 out of 10. It didn't. It added up to 11 out of 10. So I knew I'd made a mistake. Thankfully, I spotted it quick enough. There should only be 2 green pens. And finally, if he took a green one out the first time, there would only be 1 green left overall. There would still be 3 red pens left, because he didn't touch a red pen, and there'd still be 6 black pens, because he didn't touch a black pen. Anyway, having done all of that, we want the probability he takes 1 black pen and 1 green pen. So that could be black the first time and green the second time. So it could be this one here. Or it could be green the first time and black the second time. So it could be either of these. So the probability of black the first time and green the second time will be 6 out of 11 times 2 out of 10, which is 12 out of 110. Or if it's green the first time and black the second time, 2 out of 11 times 6 out of 10, which is 12 out of 110. And if we add those two together now, we get 24 out of 110. There we go. So I've done that with a tree diagram. You didn't strictly necessarily have to do it with a tree diagram. You could have thought about it really, really carefully and figured these 2 things out for yourselves and just gone straight to this step. But you do need to be very careful doing that. It's very easy to make a mistake. So if you're in any doubt with these sort of questions, a tree diagram will always help.